There's several schools along the East Coast, and I could have gone to any of them. But the reason I chose IYRS is because when I did an interview on site, I just felt at home immediately. And I mean, it is Newport. It's the mecca of sailing, which is my passion.
One of the things that I was really surprised that I was able to pick up when we came to IYRS was working with the CNC machines and learning CNC programming and how to edit and read G-code. That was something I was not really expecting to dive in as deeply as we did in the program.
For once, I realized not having a plan is sometimes the best plan. And I would have never planned on IYRS. And I'm so glad I'm here. That indecision led me to the best decision of my life.
Make failure your fuel, to quote Abby Wambach of the U.S. Olympic soccer team. We so do that here. Isn't it interesting, though, how making failure an important and positive part of the experience is something that we get in sport, but we don't seem to get it in learning, in education, in business, and in relationships. But here, as in sport, we seem to get it.
Although the modules at IYRS are often industry or skill specific, our goal is to provide students with a toolbox beyond their next job, instead instilling characteristics to build a career, a livelihood, and a lifestyle.
This isn't a school, this is home. And it's a sad day when you're leaving home.
It's overwhelming. Friends I've made, sorry. It's wonderful, it's truly wonderful. I'm just so pleased with myself. I'm so happy to be a part of this organization and this school. And I can't wait to volunteer and help others and be an ambassador if possible. Show people how they can change careers and they can do things that they're truly passionate about and be happy.
This is an amazing group of students, and we are very proud to now call them alumni. We have continued our high graduation rates at 84%, and of those graduates, about 90% of them are employed.
The possibilities they're huge. I feel more than qualified, more than capable, and I feel that truly that I could go anywhere and be an asset to whoever I work with and for.
The hard work at this point is over for gaining the skills, but ultimately I'm very excited to start putting those skills into use in actual real-world experiences.
What I realized and what I've learned is we don't just build boats, we build people. You don't have to have the skills to come here. You just have to have the desire and the passion.